Alright everybody, Sylvia here, walking around my neighborhood. It's the Gethsemane neighborhood of Cartagena. And I have a bit of a tale to tell today. I went on a boat trip this last weekend visiting, oh, this woman is selling I'm not entirely sure what she has in that pot, but she's selling something. Anyway, we went to go visit some islands. It was all very nice, snorkeling, beautiful. And at the very, very end, we were on a beach waiting for the boat. And we've been waiting, standing on the sand for a long time. And I noticed that the stairs used to board the boat, kind of rickety wooden stairs, were just sitting in the sand. And I thought, well, you know what, I could go sit on the stairs, be better than standing. And I did. And then suddenly a very big wave came. And the stairs were no longer anchored in the sand. They were floating. And because I was on the top stair, it fell backwards. So I fell backwards, I don't know, maybe about four feet into the water. And I was wearing my fanny pack, which had my phone, my Removu K1, and my Panasonic ZS200 camera. And everything got wet. My Samsung Galaxy S8 is waterproof. I never believed it. But it really is, and it survived. But my other two cameras did not survive. And so I am scrambling now to find a solution so that I can continue documenting my travels. I have about 5 weeks left of this trip. So not too long. And interestingly enough, even though I lost 2 cameras, I still have 2 cameras. So I have my phone, which I'm using right now. Hola. And I have a very, very, very small video camera that I brought for the rain. It's a Sony AZ1, I think is what it's called. It's very, very small. And, you know, because it's so small, the battery's very small, so you can't really use it for very long. And I really intended simply to use it when it's raining and just put it on my helmet so I could get some nice shots. And speaking of fun shots, it's kind of a fun street with these umbrellas, very colorful. But of course, neither of these cameras have very much image stabilization, certainly nothing like my Removu K1 had. But the thing I'm also going to struggle with is the sound. And so, like at the moment, I'm using my Bluetooth headphones, which, you know, I listen to music through these and, you know, I make calls. And that's really the only time that I've used the microphone. But it is, in fact, a microphone. And then the other thing that I have, which I'm going to plug in right now so we can test the difference. Yeah, there we go. So I have my dead cat, which I've used with my Removu K1 through the entire trip. And that should probably give me the very best sound. Be interesting to hear what the difference is. And so anyway, let me know what you guys think about, well, really everything I'm talking about, because it's kind of a big deal to lose 2 cameras. But seriously, I think it's all going to be okay. Here we go, nice shot of the umbrella street. Calle Agosto. Oh, hey! Callejon Angosto. So yeah, you guys, thanks for watching, and let me know what you think. All right, bye.